All right, welcome back, guys, to the video. So Tesla got a little bit of a setback today. It's kind of confusing, but more news is coming out. So in the very beginning, pre-market, it wasn't really so good. I mean, negative 0.51%, 0.42%. It was kind of red, but no one was really expecting anything super drastic to happen today since the overall tech market was pretty flat. But Tesla at open dropped down to negative 4% at one point, and eventually there was a very slow and steady crawl up because $408 per share is super cheap, and even a lot of the Discord guys out there started buying up shares. And so far, Tesla, they're facing some pretty big troubles right now in China, and there's still more details being released, but China actually forced them to recall a bunch of the vehicles, and Tesla's arguing that there was no defect on the suspension, and says that China is forcing this unnecessary recall, which of course freaked out a bunch of investors. Remember, when you recall a bunch of vehicles, not only does it damage your reputation, but also it costs a lot of money when you have to check each and individual vehicle, and just simply the logistics of getting those vehicles back to the gigafactory to start repairs and start looking through stuff, that's pretty expensive as well. So negative 4%, but investors were pretty confident about what Tesla was saying, so stocks started going up. And it was a slow and steady crawl up, means slowly more and more investors started buying the dip. And so far, if you check out Tesla, they had to recall nearly 50,000 Model S and Model X cars in China over faulty suspension. So this isn't really looking so good, and this will be pretty expensive as well. But Tesla themselves are saying that, hey, our vehicles are fine. There really isn't any sort of a problem. So I'm not really sure what's going on. And Tesla is blaming some of the reckless drivers out there, and they say they don't really deserve this treatment. And recalling 50,000 vehicles for Tesla, once again, is extremely expensive, which initiated this insane sell-off to negative 4%. But I'm not really too worried about it. I'm still super bullish about it, since the Tesla stock, instead of staying at negative 4%, it started climbing up. And now it's only negative 1%. And so far, after hours, not a lot of movement. I think consumers and also retail investors and big hedge funds, they're still holding on the shares. They feel like if Tesla even gets close to $400 per share, a bunch of people will buy it. So far, that's about it. This is kind of like the bad news for day for Tesla. Let's just see what's going on. Hopefully this doesn't happen again, but we will be getting more details about what's going on, what's Tesla's rebuttal, and what China's going to do with the overall vehicles. But right now, Model S and Model X are being recalled, and it's over faulty suspension. Not really sure if that's true. I mean, Tesla themselves said it's not. So let's just hear what's up. Thanks for watching.